Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to publish your Shopify store in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to sign up for your Shopify account, and this is going to be your admin dashboard. So over here, you need to make sure that you have added the products. So you need to click on the option of products here in the left hand section. If you have your product list, you can click on the option of import in order to import that, or you can also click on the option of add product, then give your product a name. After that, simply click on the option of upload, then select your product picture. Once done, you need to provide certain details relating to the product here on this page, like its pricing at which it is selling and if there is any discount available or not. So once you are done with it, simply click on the option of save in the top right hand corner of the screen, and similarly you need to add your products here in this list. So once this is done, simply click on the option of online store, then go to themes. Over here you can either customize your already given theme, or you can also just scroll down and select any of the free themes that is available here. So after choosing your theme and before publishing your store, you will need to select a Shopify plan. So here, as you can see, if you come back on the home page, you will see a 3-day trial that you are going to get. But in order to keep on using Shopify and in order to get the business out of it, you will have to subscribe for it, and you are going to get good deal if you go with the 3 months plan. So you need to apply for it, and now you need to set up your payment methods. So click on the option of settings here, then come here in your payment section. Over here you can add a payment method, then you can select any of the providers over here. You can search for them by their name, like if I search for PayPal, so you can search for that and select. Then you need to go to the payment section and install the provider here and set up the payment method. You can also connect your domain if you want, so you can also continue with the by default domain extension of Shopify. But if you have your domain, you want to go professionally, you can just simply come here in the domains section and you can add your custom domain over here. So once everything is ready, you can just simply click on this eye icon right next to the online store in order to view how your listings and how your store is actually looking. So this way you will be able to publish your Shopify store in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.